In Creo Parametric, you can save a copy of a part. This is similar to the Save As command in Microsoft Office products. This is great when you have a part that you want to use as the basis for a new part, and you don't want any dependency between the original and the copy. To make my copy, I will go to the File drop-down menu, then Save As, and Save a Copy. You can see that the keyboard shortcut is Control-Shift-S. When I click on that, it opens up the Save a Copy dialog box. By default, I have my working directory opening up. You can change the folder that you're going to save the copy to. I'm going to give it a new name. And when I'm happy, I can click the OK button. And the copy is made. Now here's one thing that you want to be aware of. I still have my active window as the original. So many times I have made a copy and then started making modifications without realizing that I was still working in the original. If you want to make changes to the copy, we need to open it. I will click on the open icon from the quick access toolbar. Let me use my selection filter to narrow down to locate the part. Then I will click the Open button. And here is the copy open in its own separate window. Now I can go about modifying this part.